This is a video about Bridgeport mill. You can see the spindle is on. It is on and it's nice and quiet. That's the motor. This mill comes over here, has power feed. It does work. You work both directions. Okay, it goes fast. Okay. Unfortunately, this has a DRO. You see moving one direction, the other one. Move the other one here. You can see it. The machine itself is nice and clean. You see the machine from top, from bottom, top, nice and clean. If I have the room, I'll keep it for myself, but it gotta go. So if somebody wants it, they can have automatic lubrication. Take a look at the machine, nice and clean everywhere. The table, take a look at the table. What else can I say? Best wishes to whoever wants it. Okay? You can keep nice and clean everywhere. Take on this direction. Take a look at the machine. Okay, I'm talking by myself. I guess somebody will do the commercial. Okay, fellas? Here's the power. Okay, up or down, like butter, nice and soft, smooth. Okay, anybody wants the machine can have it. Thank you very much.